Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a developer on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I work year-round to create engaging STEAM projects to inspire your camper all summer long. Get ready to take the wheel, Meteors. It's Custom Go-Kart Week. This week, your Meteor will construct an original wooden go-kart from start to finish, including frames, wheels, axles, steering columns, hoods, and seats. As they make their vision a rideable reality, they'll get hands-on practice using handsaws, drills, rasps, and files, and take their creativity out for a spin with custom features and personalized styling. They'll also shift their innovator's mindset into high gear, being determined as they assemble and optimize every element of their karts, and courageous as they debut their creations at an end-of-week show. It's a skill-building, freewheeling week, and we're excited for your camper to be in the driver's seat. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids bring home much more than just their projects. They bring home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they'll need to thrive.